All right, y'all. I want to show y'all how I made $6,500 today. Here's the proof, and then here's the execution on Ninja Trader. Let's go over the analysis. This also just led me past my 150K account. So now I am multiple six-figure funded. We are getting a 10 a.m. reversal right now, but let's talk about it. So I have never posted on YouTube or going live every day, so y'all have not been updated, but TikTok has been updated. Obviously, I have been trading not terribly, but not holding my trades after October's price action. And I've been trading before 10 o'clock and like getting faked out on like little moves like this instead of just waiting till 10 o'clock and all the things. Not like this, sorry, like this. So today was just clear. We inversed this 4-hour fair value gap. So I got in on this move down. I wanted to take it to the previous day low like we did yesterday, going up to the previous day high, which was my target, even though I sold a little earlier at some equal highs in this fair value gap. However, clear example of why you don't always target daily highs and lows. It just won't hit all the time versus the session highs will. We swept yesterday's New York session low. That's what we swept. We did not sweep the daily. We swept in New York, and then now we're reversing up to probably go maybe to the New York high or the London high. That's why you just don't get greedy. Like even yesterday, yes, it went to the daily high, but like I said, I sold somewhere up into this, above these equal highs, up into this fair value gap. I think I sold maybe at this high, and I really should have sold at London. But either way, I think I sold at like a 1 to 1.8 instead of like a 1 to 2. I just need to set my bracket like I did today and just let it hit. I did look at my P&L to sell instead of holding to here, which I'm glad I did because look at this candle. But either way, at 10 a.m., you just get that move. You get the sell move and you get this buy move now. If you want this buy, you got it. Honestly, I do love and prefer 10 a.m. reversals, honestly. However, lately, we've been getting a lot of continuations as well, and I just cannot be scared to get them. And I've realized, too, when it's a continuation, it's clear. You just get it at 10 a.m. and you sell. That's exactly what I did yesterday. You could have got on right at 10 a.m. and literally bought, because 10 a.m. was this candle here. You could have got in right here and just bought. Instead of I got liquidated in this candle, getting in before 10 o'clock, boom. My stop loss now is this candle. And then it just ran up and no drawdown. Same with on Monday. I did play this little short because it almost was enough to me to pass the account. At the time, I was way closer than I was today. And it missed me by, I think my TP was like right here. It was like 2 points. But if you just got it at 10 o'clock, you already get your reversal, you get your IFVG, and you get your market structure shift. So if you just waited, you probably could have gotten right at 10, but after the 10 candle close, you still got the move there. And a lot of people play that buy as well, whatever your bracket is. Mine is, I have a template actually, 150 to, it was 145, but I'm going back to 150 to 300. But sometimes missing my stop loss by a few points, so I switched it to 190. But there it is, no drawdown again. That was the trade. That's it. So 10 o'clock is just a better, and I need to stick to it. I get lenient because I've been winning. I haven't lost like 3 weeks in a row. Even yesterday when I took that loss because I liquidated my eval, I won. I took a loss on the eval, and then I got in again. This liquidated me for my max of the day, the 3,700. But I got in on all three. As you see, I copy trade all three accounts. So I made money on my live and my future account, my funded account, which is Top Step. So those are the two that matter right now. And well, now all three because I just passed the other one today. But you know what I'm saying? So that's the good thing about copy trading. So one of them won't get liquidated. Your live probably won't. And then you can just get in at 10 o'clock. And then you get two moves sometimes. But I like to get in at 10 because sometimes it's the move of the day like yesterday. You did not get a reversal at like 11 or noon. You got a small one at 2 o'clock that some people played. But it really just kept going. So there are days like that. But then there's days like today where you got a move and then you got a reversal again. And I used to just wait for the reversal like this, and you'll know when to reverse from this point, and it is looking good, and it can still go to the previous day low. This is a long candle, it's a 4-hour candle, but that which I don't like, it has inversed a bunch of candles, but there's probably a 15-minute gap somewhere in here. But yeah, a great day, multiple six-figure funded. Discord is coming Black Friday. It has drop shipping in it Turo in it, long-term investment plays, and live trading with me is not just a trading Discord. Y'all know y'all saw my dropshipping journey first. A lot of y'all on YouTube saw my investing and all that journey first. So you know all that stuff is in there. I just obviously prefer trading now, and I think I've grown my platform a little more since I started trading. So I know people probably think it's just a trading Discord, and it's not. But I literally love you guys and thank y'all for the support. And trading literally has changed my life, and you can make $7 grand in a day. That was just two. That was 23 micros, which is like a little over 2 minis. So you can obviously, if you go from 1, 2 to 3 in the minis. So if you do micros, you can do 22, you can do 23, 24, and like do a bunch of like different ones. But yeah, I think we might do the same thing like yesterday and go up to these highs. So hope you are in that buy trade if you didn't take the sell trade, and if not, you know, you'll live to fight another day. But yes, I love it. I love it. I love it.